Hey, what's up, guys? So we are now on Friday, and I have not reached my goal yet of getting this thing up and running. There's just been headache after headache with this property in particular. So I think I've already told you guys the furnace is cooked here. So I'm waiting for a technician to come in today. We also had a washing machine go quits on us at Sunflower. I told you guys about that, and so I broke my back today with the help of one of my workers to get that thing upstairs, but we got it done. And so today I am at Sunflower, and look at this. We got our couches in this morning. Aren't they looking amazing? Looking super good. Got the table underway. And then we're gonna hang this piece of art right there. I'm still on the fence if I'm gonna put the art there or on this wall and vice versa, but I'm gonna figure that out. But it's looking really good in here. Yeah, it's gonna look nice. Put that picture there. Look at this piece of art I got from HomeSense. Oh my gosh. So it's gonna go sideways. It's gonna go on this big wall right behind us. Absolutely incredible. So nice. So our internet company now has to come out because whoever was here before, they cut the end of the fiber optic cable. And so the piece I need to plug into my modem that I just had delivered to my house does not fit because we don't have the right piece. Man, this place is a nightmare. It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna make some money on this thing. And yeah, it's gonna do well. So 4 bedrooms, lots of space. I mean, look at the size of this. Look at it, like it's so huge. I'm gonna stand back here. Let me go wide angle lens. But look, it's just huge. Like there's so much space. And I'm gonna put right here. I'm gonna have some bar stools, so there'll be lots and lots and lots of seating. And then I put one of our sectionals over here. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it here or not. I kind of want to turn this into a games room, but I had this old piano. I was like, I gotta store it somewhere. So I brought the piano here. But yeah, lots for us to do. I'm gonna be here pretty much hanging art and hanging this last TV. Where's that? Right there. I'm gonna be hanging that last TV today. Upstairs is looking really good. And so I'll hang some art, and then I'll take a video for you guys to see. And my goal is to have this thing staged for tomorrow. Oh man, I think I can do it. All right, so we're getting late into the night now. We have spent the majority of the day getting this place staged, but it is coming along. Check this. We've got this room coming all together. Need some lamps in here still. Here, let's get some wide angle lens. Wait till we get the photos done. It's gonna look good. All right. I still need a mattress in here, but it looked nice. Then if I come across the hall, this, we got another room, just about ready. And the master's coming along, TV's hung. Gonna hang that mirror over there. And then we're looking good. I think I'm gonna get bigger nightstands. Jeanette's in here working hard. Master bath is looking good. So everything's starting to come together now a little bit. As I was saying, this house is so cold, it's unreal. I'm still waiting for the HVAC guy to come, but hopefully he'll be here tomorrow. And at the end of the day, we don't need heat to do a photo shoot. So I'm just trying to get this place to a position where I can have my photographer come in, take the photos, and then we'll take care of all the last minute things that have to be taken care of. All right, it's now Saturday, and I'm like 4 days past my goal of getting it done by Tuesday. I'm heading to Niagara Falls to pick up 3 bar stools. Hopefully these ones are actually good, unlike the couch. Man, but anyway, these are a smoking deal. Usually pay like $100, $125 per stool at HomeSense. I'm getting 3 of them for $125, so I'm just hoping they're in good shape. And then I need to get 2 mattresses, which I'll probably purchase and get delivered for Tuesday, Monday at the latest. We already have the bedding and everything for those. And then from there, I need to finish the games room. It's gonna be kind of like a it's gonna be more like a board game room as opposed to like a games room like the other spot, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. So anyway, that's the update for today. It's kind of a relaxed day for the most part, no cleanings, anything like that, but yeah, gotta get this thing up. Still waiting to hear on my furnace too. Hey, what's up guys? I know the video is dark here today, but it is Monday. What is it? November the 25th, and just doing a late night at Sunflower. Got a lot of work done, a lot of things accomplished there today, and I'll be back tomorrow And I'm going to shoot you guys a video of everything we got done, and it's looking pretty sweet. All right, everybody, it is now November the 26th. All right, and I am just finishing up Sunflower now. And I get confused, to be honest with you. We have so many units down. Like, is it Sunflower? Is it Vanilla? But anyway, we're just getting it ready. So I just got to HomeSense, and I got to grab one more piece of art. I got to go to Leon's. I got to get two mattresses that are on sale right now. And then I actually just picked up this sweet table back here. You can't really see it, but that's going to be the table for my games room at Sunflower. So super excited about that. Anyway, I'm on my way into HomeSense. So the one thing I want to get better at is I want to get better at getting our places furnished faster. And I think one of the ways I can do that is just literally having a way better checklist. And that way, all I have to do is go to my checklist, buy as much stuff online as I have to, and then go to HomeSense to get the rest. Okay, so here I am. I'm at HomeSense. Gotta get some art. Now the good news is I only need one piece of art. It's only for a bathroom, so I should be pretty quick. Although, man, it's so easy to spend a lot of time here. Crap, you know what? I think I need lamps too. So we gotta get a couple of lamps. Okay, here we go. I love the art section. If you watch my channel long enough, you'll know I love art. I obsess over it. But you know what? It's what makes us different. Our spots look luxury. So one thing about HomeSense is it's hard to find the right art sometimes, and trying to get it at the right price. So there is a nice clearance section here, and I think I'm gonna pull a piece out of this area. All right, so the piece isn't amazing, but I think it'll do the trick. So I'm gonna grab this. Look at it. 39 bucks, perfect. Okay, I need to get lamps too, so I'm gonna grab these lamps right here, which I like, good price. Okay, I'm at Leon's, here to pick up my mattresses. Gotta go in and pay first, and then I'm meeting one of my workers here. We're gonna load up her truck, and we're gonna bring it out to Sunflower. So here we go. I do love Leon's, by the way. This is the one that's in St. Catharines. This is their warehouse. So if you want something quick, you just come right here because you can pick it up the same day. All right, here we go. Okay, just got back from Leon's. We are back at Sunflower now, and we got some mattresses. So we're gonna throw them in the house, get this thing ready to go for photos tomorrow. All right, guys, the day is finally here. We finally have this place staged. It's ready to go. Last night I was here with the team. We were putting in mattresses and getting everything ready, hanging curtains, all that fun stuff. But now is the day where we get our photographs taken. And so let me show you that. Okay, here we go. I got my photographer here right now, which I'm very excited about. We got lots of daylight coming in. Look at this place. It's looking absolutely gorgeous. So here's our main floor bathroom. Very nice. Then you're going to come around the hall to the games room. So we got all kinds of cool board games and a music room. Look at that. Okay, from the games room, we're going into the kitchen. Oh my goodness, the place is looking amazing. So nice. Then from the kitchen, look at the dining room. So nice. And it's huge too. This dining room table is huge. And then the dining room into the living room. Look at that. Let me go wide angle lens. Whew. Look how nice that looks. Okay, from here, I'm going to take you guys upstairs. I'm going to go down the hall. Okay, room number 1, laundry room. Such a massive, I can put an office in here. Then we go to our kind of junior suite. It's all ready to go. Blackout curtains. Here we are. Wow. Then this room goes to a Jack and Jill. So here's the Jack and Jill. Nice little bathroom here. Going into bedroom number 2. Look at this. Well done on the staging crew. Awesome job. So across the hall is bedroom number 3. Look at this. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Bedroom 3 does have its own private bath. There's the bathroom for bedroom number 3. Got my photographer in today. What's up, Jose? Let's go. You need some photography done? See my man, Jose?
Ryan, this house is beautiful.
Thank you, my friend. All right, so here's the master bedroom. And it's just looking absolutely gorgeous right now. All right, and so here is the master bedroom from the viewpoint of the bed. Look at this. We have 2 closets here too. It's just crazy. So this place is absolutely transformed. Here is the master bath. Look at this. It's a spa, baby. It's a spa. So guys, this place is looking absolutely incredible. I'm so excited to get this one listed. So I'm going to go home today, and as soon as I get the photos back, we're going to throw the photos into Airbnb. We'll have the descriptions all ready to go, and this thing's going to be going live hopefully tonight. It takes about 24 hours for Airbnb to approve the listing, and then hopefully we'll be getting bookings by Friday for the weekend and going into the month of December. So we're just about there. One last final thought for this video before I end it is art. I talk about it all the time, but I literally had one of our HVAC guys come in the other day to fix the furnace, and he's like, man, your art looks incredible. He's like, it makes it feel so cozy. And that's exactly the goal with art. We spend a lot of money on art, beds, and sitting areas like couches and stuff, but it's worth it because that is what brings the experience for the guest, right? We are in the hospitality business. A good friend of mine, Alex Jarbo, talks about that. As an Airbnb host, you are in the hospitality business. We're not necessarily in the short-term rental business, although we are, but really we are trying to make people's experiences the best we can. And we do that in Airbnbs by having sweet art. Anyways, guys, that is it for this episode. Please, 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 if you could, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll be dropping more content on how we are scaling our short-term rental business to 10 listings. We're already at 5. We're about to go live with our 5th. We're getting there. We're getting there quickly, all right? All right, we'll see you guys in the next episode.